here is the main entrance of the VIP enclosure that leads up inside the stadium, the PA Sangma Stadium, where the 5th Meghalaya Games is going to take place. The inauguration is on Monday, and next to the entrance we have a very large billboard showcasing the picture of our President of India, the first woman tribal president, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. She will be opening the games on Monday, and alongside her we have the Chief Minister, the Conrad Sangma, and the Sports Minister. And if you look at the entire billboard, you will see the logo of the games, the 5th Meghalaya Games, where you will see the 3 vibrant colors of the 3 tribes of Meghalaya: the Garos, the Khasis, and the Jaintias. We also have the hills. There's a flame that symbolizes the torch of togetherness. And we have the bird, which is the hill myna, which is also a state bird in Meghalaya. And once we are inside, there's the steps that goes up to the VIP enclosure. We also have the ramp for the people to move in. So let's go up and see where it leads us. And when you reach the top, you get a grand view of this gigantic state-of-the-art PA Sangma Stadium. These are last-minute touches being done on the field, and the gallery is well prepared to accommodate a huge crowd. The lights are almost up and ready. The traditional equipment is over there, you can see, to welcome the President with a traditional Wangala. And we can also see on the field some of the Meghalaya Olympics Association officials, ensuring that this games, the first in the Garo Hills in Tura, goes well without any glitches. And this stadium was conceptualized by late PA Sangma when he was the MP. It came out as a MP stadium many years ago. And over the years, his son, our present Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, has brought this up into one of the most beautiful and state-of-the-art stadium, a football stadium with international standards. And on Monday at the inaugural, where President Murmu will be here, as many as 3,000 invitees, along with dignitaries and other officials, will be witnessing a multitude of programs, a cultural event showcasing the different tribes, their richness of their heritage, in a special program here on Monday. Keep watching us for more updates of the 5th Meghalaya Games taking place here in Tura